Today, I will show you how to unzip a .tgz file using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, make sure you have the terminal open. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now, move to the folder where the .tgz file is saved. For example, if the file is in the Downloads folder, type this command and press Enter. cd downloads now. To extract the .tgz file, type the following command: tar xvzf sample_archive.tgz. Let me explain this command step by step. The word tar is the command used to work with archive files. The letter X means extract. The letter V means show progress in the terminal, so you can see what's happening. The letter Z tells tar to handle files compressed with gzip, which is what .tgz files are. And the letter F means we are giving the file name next. So, after the letters, we write the name of the file. My file name is sample_archive.tgz. That's why I write it. You can write your tgz file name. Once you press Enter, the terminal will show you the files being extracted. After the command finishes, you will see the extracted files in the same folder. That's it. This is how you unzip a .tgz file using the terminal in Ubuntu.